She gives a proper mic, they take the wooden mic. How are you, my sister? Good to see you. You see, we had to make her last because, you know, this outfit takes some doing. Thank you very much. What about the outfit? That Jonas comes from the old school. You know, I once had Abigail Kubeka to come perform. She was so well dressed when she walked to the venue and they said, wow, we're going to see a beautifully dressed artist. I said, folks, this generation doesn't show up at the venue in what they're going to wear on stage. They arrive well dressed and they change when it's time to get up, you see. So she came here and she had to take an hour to package herself because that's just what show business is about. You are an Idol's SA judge, but I think we forget that you were born in Grahamstown. Do you feel you were born to glitter? And being born in Grahamstown is like, you are a work of art, you are born a work of art?
If my minister has anything to do with it, I think I should say yes, right, Minister?
No, she's no longer MK. She has surrendered all her rifles, so she can't do anything to you. But really, being born in Grahamstown, the Arts Festival, being there, I'm sure it was there when you were born. Do you find that being Idol's judge hinders your progression as a musician? Because I think when you show up, people might want to feel you're going to judge them when you actually want to perform.
No, I think because I've been the understanding judge, people are okay with that.
You are the more emotional and softer side, even after the arrival of Somizi.
Not softer, but more understanding, especially after Somizi.
Especially after Somizi, because he does what exactly? What does he do for that panel? Because he seems to master frenzy and chaos, but somehow he's entertaining. What happens exactly on the Idol's judge? Do you just entertain us? Do you really sift people through? Is it?
Well, if we think of Kayam Tato, the first black idol in the history of idols, these are the kind of talents that we find. Musa, Baninzi Tami, Shekana, who's got a global deal, Baninzi, Kyle, who's a qualified medical doctor, but followed his passion. So I think we've done a lot, you know. 98 million votes last season. This season we're looking at breaking that 100 million.
So that's 2 South Africas in one competition. But you have other sides you are just a competitive spirit, aren't you? Do you just compete? You just can't handle, or you have to compete and beat someone at something. You exercise hard, you summit Kilimanjaro. Does that come into your music too?
I compete with myself, you know. My parents taught me.
So,
an interview, Prophet.
That's fine. We gotta talk to you. You know what? People have got to know you, so they know you're not just. But last but not least, what are you playing tonight? Because you've got many songs, and I know you do cover versions, but you do your own music. In 30 seconds, what are you giving us tonight?
I had to respect the audience, so maturity. So I brought some of my classics. I brought one cover that I know people will appreciate. I want to open up in prayer because I think it's a miracle that we're all here, including our greats and our icons. So something more mature, less jive, and more, you know, let's sit back and enjoy the music.
Sit back and enjoy the music of Unathi. Thank you very much. Good night.